Mesdames et messieurs, merci d'accueillir Monsieur Thierry Bolloré, directeur
Please
général.
welcome Mr. Thierry Bolloré, who is the number 2 of the Renault Group, second in command of the Renault Group. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a great pleasure for me to be with you today for the 88th edition of the Paris Motor Show. The sector of mobility today is having to face changes that are quicker and quicker. Consumers today who are better informed, who are more demanding, today look for transport methods that are both attractive, affordable, and that can make their lives easier. They want to be able to alternate more and more today between driving or being driven. And these evolutions are, of course, huge opportunities for us to be creative and to express our vision of the future. Renault is a leader of mobility today and will be the leader of mobility tomorrow. Now, we are leaders today because our whole lineup has been renewed and has met with a huge success. Our latest vehicles have fulfilled our customers' expectations, as we can see through our record sales for the third consecutive year. Our success is something that we have had thanks to our SUVs especially, which account for over 27% of sales of our group in Europe and 24.5% at the worldwide level. Today we are presenting the new Kadjar, which is part of our full range of crossovers with Captur and Koleos. Kadjar has known a worldwide success with more than 450,000 units produced since 2015 and sold in more than 50 countries. New Kadjar proposes improvements at all levels. For the exterior, with a more status-enhancing design as well as a total renewal of the front face, and the interior was designed to be even more comfortable and functional. But we have gone even further, and we have equipped this new crossover with our new petrol engines that are the result of our partnership with Daimler. These engines of 140 and 160 bhp are at the best level in terms of performance and driving pleasure in order to better fulfill our customers' needs. This new range of 1.3-litre energy TCE engines is already available in Europe on Captur, Megane and Scenic, and has met with a very favorable response. But our strength today is also, of course, in electric vehicles. We were pioneers on the market of electric vehicles, and today Renault is a leader at the European level. We are the only car makers to propose in our range 5 100% electric models. On European roads, every third vehicle is a Renault. We have already deployed our offer of electric and shared mobility with many public and private operators of mobility. Through car sharing in Madrid or more recently in Stockholm. In Rouen, we have also started an experiment with Robo-Vehicles on open roads. This summer, we pushed it to a further scale. We have set up with the Paris municipality and car sharing offer that is 100% electric with Move-In by Renault, as well as chauffeured car services with Marcel. Renault is also the leader of the mobility of tomorrow. Being the leader of electric vehicles for tomorrow means offering the largest choice of electric and electrified vehicles possible. We are therefore reinforcing our effort on hybrid cars, and by 2020 we will be selling a hybrid version of Clio and a plug-in hybrid version of Captur and Megane. We have also launched an all-new electric vehicle, the KZ, a vehicle that is an SUV-inspired, affordable electric vehicle. It will be introduced in China from 2019 and then be extended to other markets. China is in a leading position for the switch to electric vehicles. Thanks to massive investments, electric vehicles are being deployed there in an unmatched manner, and for this is a unique opportunity for us. Looking a little further into the future, we are quite convinced that proposing premium content on board is going to become a key differentiating factor for car makers. We are ready for this content revolution. We are experimenting with this unique connected content with our AEX project, which stands for Augmented Editorial Experience. The AEX is an intersection point between mobility, customized content and multimedia experience. Developed with our partner, the Challenges Press Group, it makes it possible to make a trip into a wonderfully rewarding experience. And to propose a more sophisticated experience, the Alliance has just signed the partnership. Alliance vehicles will be equipped with Android, and with Google we are uniting our skills in order to bring our customers connected and intelligent services of infotainment. Among these new forms of mobility that we are exploring, there's one that is already a reality for Renault, which is car sharing. You have been able to see our different concept cars earlier this year, which will make our customers' urban mobility even easier. They're present on our stand today with the EZ-Go that you're familiar with for shared urban mobility. Then you have EZ-Pro for the last mile delivery that was presented 2 weeks ago in Hanover. And EZ-Pro especially was designed in order to offer an optimum solution both for professionals as well as end customers. And we are proposing a customizable offer, which means that the users can choose how, where and when their packages can be delivered. So today at the Paris Motor Show we are unveiling the third concept car, which rounds out our vision of robo-vehicles of the future. It is built on the same modulable platform dedicated to electric and autonomous cars, on which we built EZ-Go and EZ-Pro. And it is this flexibility and these synergies that make up our advantage, and it is EZ-ULTIMO, the robo-vehicle which makes shared mobility an exceptional industry.
Mesdames et messieurs, merci d'accueillir Monsieur
Ladies
Laurens
and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Laurens van den Acker, the design director of the Renault Group. Good morning everyone, and thank you. It is a huge pleasure for me to present the EZ-ULTIMO today, which celebrates 120 years of French design and the know-how of our brand. The EZ-ULTIMO is a vehicle that of course can be shared, but that guarantees an individual experience that is definitely not a standard one. The design of a robo-vehicle like the EZ-ULTIMO starts with the onboard experience. This real living room on wheels guarantees that its user will be able to experience a moment of relaxation and pleasure, whether it is just a trip going from home to work or to the airport or where you're on holiday. Users can have access to this in different ways. You can imagine, for example, this might be a one-off offer of mobility that would make it possible for anyone to offer themselves this robo-vehicle for several hours, either for a specific event or for a celebration. Hotel or an airline company to its customers. We share this vision of premium mobility for the future with our partners, the Club Med and the Evian Resort. We are thinking with them about solutions which will help us extend this customizable experience to their customers, for example, through the discovery of a voyage on board the EZ-ULTIMO. This very unique offer is based on an exceptional design which is both elegant and futuristic. The exterior design uses two distinct materials. In the front you have a very deep black with green reflections, and on the sides you have and the glazed surface is made up of facets that are inspired by the Renault Diamond and that keeps the privacy of the travelers on board. Both comfortable and welcoming, this concept car really does incarnate the DNA of Renault. You can enter the vehicle through a very wide and practical opening, through a sliding door and a totally pivoting car. Welcome passengers. Take advantage of a totally modulable space that is comfortable and spacious. The interior also comes with very refined details such as deep green velvet upholstered seats and a wood floor with copper inserts and a marble console. The interior of the EZ-ULTIMO is a homage to French interior design and its attention to detail. Able to sit back and relax with no need to drive, the passenger really gets the impression that they are traveling with their living room. With EZ-ULTIMO, we are also beginning to explore tailor-made content and integrated content. When you speak to travelers worldwide, their first aspiration concerning autonomous drive vehicles is to be able to take advantage of the time that they save without having to drive in order to be entertained, to be informed, to relax, or to spend some family time. So a voyage, of course, is much more than just getting to your destination. With the EZ-ULTIMO, you will be traveling thanks to a robo-vehicle, and you will also be voyaging through the content that we propose. Especially within the framework of our partnership with Challengers, we explore the richness, the rewarding extension of the media offering that will be proposed to our customers. A screen will indicate the itinerary and will at the same time propose content that is appropriate to the cities and the places that you go by. For example, information on ongoing exhibitions or cultural details on the places around you. You will be able to live this for yourselves a little later on our stand, and you'll be able to look at the onboard content in our capsule. EZ-ULTIMO is a robot vehicle that is using autonomous drive technologies of level 4, perfectly integrated into the exterior design with the promise of a captivating voyage. This is a vehicle that can cover very varied usage cases. EZ-ULTIMO is connected to its infrastructure, and it is suitable for city driving as well as for highway driving, or it can be used for shuttle service on dedicated roads. The EZ-ULTIMO reinforces the diversity of our mobility offer. The strength of Renault is and has always been to be present everywhere and to ensure that high technology solutions can be democratized. Our very essence is to propose practical, functional innovations that are suitable for everyone. After transport on demand and shared transport with EasyGo, after last-mile delivery with EZ Pro, the EZ-ULTIMO today extends our vision through a premium experience. 120 years after Renault was founded, this trilogy makes it possible for us to continue to dream about the future of mobility. Thanks to its captivating aesthetics, EZ-ULTIMO is the beginning of new adventures for design. Thank you very much for your attention. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Thierry Bolloré and Mr. Lawrence van den Acker are at the disposal of photographers.